A story of redwoods and cactus. Our training and travels the week of 10 and 11 of 2023. Well, it's Thursday, the 16th of March, and we're here our last day in California. We arrived last Sunday. This has been quite a trip. It took about 4.5 days driving out, and there was talk about storms coming in and this type of thing. We got out here on Sunday, made it up to Mount Madonna Park, and trees down everywhere, big redwoods blown over, and limbs and tops and everything broken. We made it up to the campground we were supposed to stay at. Then they started talking about another high wind storm coming in, and so we decided Monday we would head back down the hill and more or less Valley Water here that we were going to be working with this week. They had to take and kind of change around a little bit. We couldn't get up to Mount Madonna for the cutting, so we decided to do just some indoor work on Monday with the first group of new operators, and then we came out to try to do some outside at an area, just some debris and stuff piled up from past storms. But it was so old and the wind was blowing 70 miles an hour. I mean, it was very dangerous just to be out here. And so then we headed back over to a warehouse. We did a little bit of reduced downtime maintenance on the saws and stuff and called it a day. Yesterday we had another group starting off that had not been through the training before, and we took and started off at a different office facility, went through the morning events and in the classroom, came out and tried to do some cutting on these piles, but they're just so rotted and dead, it wasn't a whole lot that we could discuss. We finished up yesterday afternoon there. Got a refresher schedule for today. Don't know how many. Yesterday the weather cleared up, the wind died down. Today the weather's beautiful, going to be beautiful, but guys are going to be out there cleaning up stuff around town, so I don't know what we're going to have showed up. We got calls yesterday from San Luis Obispo County, which we're going to be at next week. They've had to cancel. Everything is flooded where we were going to be, and the guys are just working like crazy trying to clean up stuff, and they're kind of short-handed. And then we've been scheduled to go the following week down to San Diego, working with the Girl Scout camp the county has down there, and it's totally roads blocked, all kinds of things. They're going to be working like crazy. They have a short staff also, so that's canceled. So we're going to be leaving out this afternoon and finish up here and head back to Georgia. So it's been kind of a wasted trip. I guess we just got a good visit out to California again, and we're going to try to maybe reschedule for next year sometime. But that's how it went. But I tell you, the places are flooded around here. The farmers are hurting. Trees down all over town, and we're in Gilroy, San Jose area, and I mean it's been a mess down here. But it looks absolutely beautiful today. We'll see how it goes, see how many show up, and we'll keep you updated. This week of 11 of 2023 has been quite unique.
Well, the 8 days of travel, it wasn't total loss. We had over 30 people, new ones, had gone through at least our day one program on the inside. And then we got to see about 15 or 16 of some of the guys, and has gone through up to about 15 years ago coming out to this area. We had a good time. Wish it hadn't got all distorted with the weather. A lot of people are hurting from all of that. Not able to get down to the other 2 locations, but we'll try to maybe head back another time. But for this trip out west, it was memorable, and we are looking forward to staying a little bit farther east for the next few months. So I hope y'all enjoyed this one. Good sawing to you, and hope to see you along the Forest Apps Road.